We are getting a new refrigerator put in today. They said between 7 and 11 a.m. Eastern. It's almost 9 o'clock Eastern. And I had to clear off all of our magnets and stuff. Oh, there's still stuff in the freezer. And some stuff in the fridge. A lot of it's gonna get thrown out. About to have my yogurt for breakfast. And eventually I'll show you the new refrigerator. Hoping it'll fit nice and good. It's probably gonna stick out some, but hopefully not too much. We wished it was taller, but it's not.
And I'm glad it's not bigger than 32 inches or want to fit through the front door.
Oh, Jesus. Right?
I just measured the front door today.
Wow. Yeah, we got a tight spot.
The whole time we were worrying about this measurement.
Yeah, I'm glad I sent you the checklist last night.
32, right? 32
yeah. It's up, well, it's a little less than 32.
Oh, good.
I think.
Right,
like
so
31 and 7/8 or something.
So
I think. Or 30. Or 37/8.
Oh, okay.
It's about 31 or about 32. Right. I want to say it's about 31, but I can't remember.
Is 33 wide.
Bumper, get off my table.
And the door to the garage is even smaller. It's like 29.
What? The door from the garage into
Yeah.
into the hallway?
Yeah.
Oh no.
You can't really fit anything in this house with the,
Wow. Our new refrigerator is going to have a water dispenser on the outside and a ice maker in the freezer. It's got upper for the refrigerator, it's going to have French doors, and then the freezer is going to be a pull out like this. It's what I call like the cozier version of what my what my sister has, because she has the space. She has like a 36 plus wide refrigerator, and we have like the condensed. We're going to be getting the condensed version. We're going to go from a Kenmore to an LG. This is our new refrigerator. We just went to the refrigerator. We just went to the supermarket to fill our refrigerator and freezer with. This is the stuff. Most of, well, not everything on the counter is the stuff, but this is what we bought and other stuff. And this is the refrigerator. Daniel had to lower that one shelf so we could leave our milks in there, because it's better to leave your milk inside the refrigerator. And rather than the door. Some stuff I might still have to throw away. I'm not sure. Can you do the open the freezer for me, please? Can't think right now. And this is the freezer. Ice is slowly coming.
Yeah.
What's that? This is the infamous refrigerator that we just got. We went with the first store we were going to buy it from. We may never have gotten it because the salesperson told us that it was really hard to come by. And so we went to one of their competitors, just like he told us to do. And the competitor told us that it would be delivered on the date which was on the sign by the refrigerator at their store. And we got it on that date as promised. So yeah, but this refrigerator, we got it because it was good for smaller spaces, but it still had the water, which I honestly haven't tried yet. But we did get a water line put in for our home for the refrigerator, which is hooked up to this fridge. And it has an ice maker in the freezer. Why is there a footprint on here from the cat? Oh god, don't tell me the cat was trying to climb the freezer. Jesus. I gotta clean that. But yeah, there is ice in here, which is nice. And this was originally 0 degrees and 37, and I lowered it to 36 because Kylie Dennison, hers is 0 and 35. And Daniel told me the guys from Home Depot, or the Home Depot, that did this for us, that brought it, delivered it and put it in for us, that they said that 37 and 0 was like good, but you can go by your milk. What I did was I went by the color of my salad and kind of the milk, but I use almond milk. So it's kind of different, but I did notice that the almond milk doesn't last well as long in a cup of coffee as milk does, like real milk from a cow. So I lowered it to 36 degrees. And it has, for the refrigeration area, French doors. And, we have all these compartments on the side here. And then the same thing on this side. We went from having too much stuff in our refrigerator to relatively not much. For now, at least, because it's just me and Daniel. Before it was me, Daniel, and his daughter, but his daughter is not usually home. Or at least she doesn't exactly live here all the time. So it's pretty much the bare minimum right now. The refrigerator will beep, and the freezer does beep after some time limit. I just wanted to show you what it looks like so you can get an idea. And this is really good for like a small space. We couldn't go more than 32 inches wide, and this was about 30 inches wide. So yeah, there is still some room, and we wanted to go higher, but the options were not conducive to this height. So we do have the extra space still, but overall I like this. I don't think I can just clean this scratch up. I just noticed there's a scratch here. Probably from the cats. Now that I saw this little paw print, which you might not be able to see, but I do see a paw print underneath here. It bothers me. I don't want the cats on my refrigerator or freezer. But yeah, it has a door alarm, lock, light, freezer, something with the temperature, I guess, refrigerator temperature, espresso. As far as the water filter reset, Danielle told me something about this function, which we haven't done yet because we don't really need to. And this is from LG, and I would consider this to be a relatively affordable refrigerator. And it was on an extra sale when we got it, but yeah, it was relatively affordable. It was less than $2,000. If you're looking for something that's space, limited, good for a limited space, and also in the affordability range, I would consider this very affordable. If you're looking for something like this, where you're not missing out on the water and the ice, because water and ice is nice. And that's our new refrigerator.